Hello guys, my name is Chanu, SAP FICO and Simple Finance Trainer. This is the job update regarding SAP FICO Consultant Manager position. And just look at this email address bfrr@bfrr.in, and you can send your resume to this email address. And also you can see experience is required 8 to 12 years, and the salary is offered 12 to 15 lakhs, and the company details also be given in this place. Just take a look at over here, and you can see the position is manager in SAP FICO consultant. Location is Mumbai, so reporting to head IT, and job profile is given. So and also desired job profile also given. So you should be BCom, BTech, MBA, CA, and you should have 8 to 12 years of experience in implementation or administration of SAP HANA FICO, and these are all expertise is needed from your side. Project management and team lead experience, and you should have 5 years of SAP FICO consulting experience and knowledge of SAP latest technology such as Fury, Lumira, and many more things has given. Knowledge and experience integration of SAP with non-SAP system, and this is the job profile. So it's a manager position, so you will have to report to the head IT. And so if you are interested, you can just take a look at this website, and you can send your resume to this email address for more information. Thank you very much, and thank you very much for your support, guys. This is Chanu signing off.